What's going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today we'll be making some one pot. So I'm making some one pot chicken with rice. I'm just going to get into the seasoning. So I already cut up my chicken and I wash it in some lime water. So I'm just going to season. So I'm adding some smoked paprika and I'm having my ancestors guide me with the seasoning. I'm adding some celery, salt. So you don't want to add a lot of this one because it's salty. So about half teaspoon of the celery salt, one tablespoon of the paprika, half tablespoon of my Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, and I'm using this one. And I'm adding half tablespoon of garlic and onion powder, half tablespoons of my Cajun seasoning, half tablespoon of my garlic plus. I love this one, very nice. If you have Maggi chicken seasoning, you can use it instead of your Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, or you can add both to the chicken. I'm adding a pinch of black pepper and I'm just gonna rub this in and make sure that everything is nice and coated in that seasoning. And what we're gonna do good is we're gonna put a pot on the stove with some oil and we are going to fry these before we cook them down. Okay, beautiful. Okay, goodies, so for the rice I'm going to add some turmeric powder. I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. I'm adding 1 pack of spicy cock noodle soup mix. And I'm going to add some mixed vegetables. And I'm cooking this in my rice cooker, okay goodies? So you just want to give this a spin up. And we're going to put this in our rice cooker and allow it to cook. Okay, so let's just go now and cook this, and then we're gonna fry our chicken. So goodies, as you can see, our oil is well hot, so we're gonna just put our chicken in and we're gonna just fry them, make them nice and brown on both sides. The goodies, I have gone ahead and I have prepared some vegetables. So I have some bell peppers and I have some red onion over here. So as you can see, I'm gonna use this later on. You can also add some green onion if you have that. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of garlic as well. So our chickens, they're still frying. So we're just gonna combine everything together, mix it up nicely. Don't go away, goodies. You want to see the final result, okay? So goodies, I've transferred my chicken to a pot and I'm just going to add some water, okay? Okay, so we don't need a lot of water. And we're just going to add some ketchup. And we are just going to allow this to cook down. And let me tell you something, goodies. Do not cover the pot, okay? We need all the water to dry out, almost 95% of the water to dry out. But we just want it to cook our chicken. So continue turning and continue to watch your pot. Don't let it burn, okay? Alright, if anything, we're going to come back and taste it and see if we need to add any little thing like soy sauce or a little bit of salt or whatever it may need. But we don't want to add anything as yet until it starts to boil. Alright goodies, so when it dry out, when the water reduces about that, you want to turn off the stove and remove it from the heat. So you see, little to nothing, no gravy, nice and thick. And look at the meat, nice and soft. It even starts to mash out a little bit, so we know it is cooked. See? Okay, but you want to remove it. You want to remove it now at this point. Okay, we're gonna check to see if our rice is finished. And then we're gonna finish up our one pot. Yes, Jamaican style. Super delicious. Wait until I see the final result. Remember, if you're new here, to subscribe to your girl channel. Okay, it's free. Please subscribe and support the channel if you like to see more recipes. And do leave me a comment if you want to see a recipe, if you want to see me prepare something. Just ask and I'll prepare it for you, okay? Alright, goodies? Alright, goodies, so I transferred the rice to the pot. Look at that beautiful rice. Looking beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to transfer my cooked chicken. And I did add a tablespoon of garlic. All of that nice gravy, I want to scrape that out as well. Okay, and now we're gonna add all of our chopped vegetables that we prepared before. So we're adding those, our onions and our bell peppers. Look at the beauty, look at the color. Oh my god. So we're gonna stir this in now, goodies. Alright, goodies, so this is what it is looking like. Final result. Let me know what you think about my recipe, my one pot recipe. Looking beautiful, delicious. Look at that. Wow. Let me know if you will be trying this recipe. Okay, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Alright, goodies, until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.